Hey, I'm going to show you how to make the best scrambled eggs you've ever had. All it's going to take is some eggs, whipping cream, and a Vitamix. And so the Vitamix is optional. I'm doing this to save time, but really the key here is in the whipping cream, and then the final key is just whipping it up as much as you can. You want to whip them up, make them as fluffy as you can from the start. So let's get started. All right, I'm making 2 dozen eggs today. Okay, what I like to do is I like to do just about a cup of cream for every dozen eggs. I like to make them really creamy. One more. I just start these off low. So now the trick here, here's our pan. The trick here is low and slow. So you don't want to hurry up and cook these things. So we're just gonna start it off real low. Put a little bit of oil in the pan, just a little bit. Whatever kind of oil you want. I'm just using a tiny bit of vegetable oil. Oh, you can see how nice and fluffy these things are. You don't have to cook them all at once if you don't want. If your pan's too small, do it in a couple different batches. Just kind of slowly ramp the heat up, but not too high. You definitely don't want to be over medium. These are getting nice and fluffy. All right, these babies are done, ready to serve. Okay, I like to put a little coat of salt and pepper on there, and it's ready to go. Hey, then if you do it like this, you got eggs for the rest of the week. Just throw it in the microwave and warm it up. The other thing I like to do is save the eggshells and throw them in the garden or compost.